this is probably a little crazy, but I have y'all literally like balancing against my window in my AC unit. There's like this little spot, but I kind of like it. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another day of me trying to move into my apartment. As you can see, it's coming together. It's like there's still a couple of other things that I need to do. I actually have some boxes today that I need to unbox, which my trash can finally came in a couple of days ago. I will rewind to show you guys those clips. My trash can came in. Look at this, guys. I was literally just saying, I think it was like in my last video, how I've been needing a trash can. Like, you guys, I am so excited that this one finally came in. It was supposed to come in, I think, like a little bit later, but it came in now. Okay, now the issue with this is I'm really hoping that it's not messed up, because the reason why I had to return my last trash can was because it was busted. The bar got the top. Alright, here it is. The actual test. Ooh, please don't be busted. Please don't be busted. It's not busted! Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. It's looking so pretty. Yo, I'm so excited that this one is not busted. Okay, you guys, this is what it looks like, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I love this. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Wow, this looks so good. Okay, so the thing is, it's an electrical one where, like, if you run your hand like that, it's supposed to, like, open and shut like so. And here is where the batteries go. And I thought that it came with them. It does not. So I literally did not buy any batteries because I thought that it came with it. So now I gotta go buy some batteries for this to work. But I now have a trash can. That's not like this little bitty one now, which I can put that other white one, like this one, I can put it in my bathroom now. Since I don't really have one, I could just stick this in there for now. Yeah, this is so extra. First piece of trash going in a trash can. How ridiculous, I know. And we're back. So I am so excited about my trash can. It is just, it is amazing. But I was so upset because I thought it had batteries and it doesn't. So I just kind of been manually doing it, which is totally okay. But I have like 3 boxes right here that just came in. I'm gonna check outside, see if any more came in today, but these came in yesterday and I wanna do an unboxing with y'all. But first, we're going to get dressed. I'm still in my beautiful satin robe. This is like so cool how I can actually like walk around in a robe. Like, you don't realize whenever you live with your family, the like little things that you can do, and then whenever you move out, you have like such freedom. Anyways, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lauren, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our little YouTube community. I would absolutely love it if you guys joined. All right, enough of that. Let's get started with this video. Okay, so here's the fit. I don't know how crazy I am about this shirt though. It's new, and I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, I have an undershirt on and it's just kind of, it's very cute. I just don't know if I'm vibing with it today. Does this look cute? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I don't know. I feel like this is kind of like more me, where it's just like the tank top. We'll just do this look today. Let's start opening up these boxes. I slept on my shoulder wrong and it hurts to like twist my head and stuff. This is my first box, which is my office chair. I am so very excited about this. Figure out what's in these 2 boxes. Oh, it's my new tripod. So it has 2 tripods on there, and this one actually bends, so I can do things like over my plate and show y'all like what I'm cooking and stuff. And this is the light that is like super bright, and then it all compacts and gets into this little tiny box right here. It's portable, so it charges, so you don't have to have like a cord. How compact it is, y'all. This is so cool. Ordered an air fryer, so I'm thinking that's what this is. Ooh, my shoulders are killing me right now. Oh, it's my toaster. I ordered a white toaster. Oh, it's not my air fryer. That's okay. Yay, I got some new litter for my cat because the litter that I'm using right now is trackable. So it's like tracking all over my house and I don't like that. Oh, this is my utensil set. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of like utensils that I need, like a can opener that I realized that I didn't have. I needed like some measuring spoons, measuring cups. So I got like this entire thing. It was 43 different things that I got for $43. So basically everything was $1. Oh, that is so awesome. But online they looked a little bit more pink, but it said beige. It said beige. But online it looked a little bit more pink and I was like, I'll still buy it. It's still like a very good deal. But this is the color that I wanted. Like actual like beige. This big box over there. You guys, I'm so excited for this office chair because I've been wanting like someplace else to sit except for my couch. Has a little bit of a gray tint to it, which I mean, I don't think it'll look bad. But I was really expecting white. Ooh, but that does feel soft. I don't think it's super horrible because I mean, it's not like gray. It's just kind of, I don't know, y'all. Man, that's such a bummer. Well, okay. If I look at it from afar, it looks more white. I don't know. It definitely has the gray tones to it. Let me try something. If I just put this over here. Okay. It looks more white. All right, I think I can work with this. So just from afar, it kind of looks white. If you look close, you can tell that it's a gray. Like, let me see if I can show you guys what I mean. Okay, so it's kind of hard to tell, which I'm very happy about, but if you look closely, like you can see it's like gray and this is like completely white. So like, it's definitely different, but it's not as gray as the walls. So like if you compare it, it's definitely whiter than the walls. So like from afar, it kind of looks white. I think I'm just gonna keep it. I might as well. And so I'm going to put this bad boy together, or try to. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, because you guys know me and my projects, something always happens to go wrong. Okay, I can already tell that Aspen is going to claim this chair because like before I even got a chance to sit on it, he was already sitting on it and I was just like, no. Look at how cute this came out, y'all. I am so impressed with myself. Nothing went wrong as far as I know. I'm going to sit on it, make sure that it stays together, but look out, Aspen. Beep, 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 beep. I love the white, but oh my goodness, this actually looks so cute. Excuse the little mess, but that looks so cute. I'm so happy that I ended up keeping this because I was gonna maybe return it because it looked a little gray to me, but I love the way that it looks. It is so cute. Okay. Oh, this is so comfortable. And look, it like comes up like mid back, which is really great. It spins around and it can go lower. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I actually have a comfy chair now, and like I said, Aspen already kind of claimed it. So I absolutely love this chair. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that I put it all together and that I didn't return it. Yeah, for right now, I just gotta figure out a spot to do with all of my utensils and everything that I just bought. So on to the kitchen. I guess first we should really clean up this mess. If y'all can hear that in the background, sorry, that's just my AC running. All right. So let's get this toaster opened. Oh, it's so cute. I like really wanted just like a tiny little toaster. Anytime I say toaster, I think of that movie, like the brave little toaster who goes to Mars. If you know what I'm talking about, guys, we're getting old. Look how cute that is. It just has like a little bit of black detailing, which is really cute. Defrost, bagel, cancel, awesome. And I just want one with just two because, you know, it's just me living here. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. And you see how thin it is? It's like perfect for like a little corner. So I originally wanted to put it over here in this corner because it's like so little, and I thought that that would be so cute. And then whenever I need it, just like plug it in. Like move my dish towels. But I'm not sure. Like I think that looks really cute. Guys, help me out. I am horrible with this. Please leave a comment down below and help me figure out how to really decorate this. I guess for now, I'll just leave it like this. I also could just put it in the cabinet and then just take it out whenever I need it. But I got a white one because I wanted to display it because it's so cute. But I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, let's start taking out these utensils. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys where they are. You guys, this stuff just kept coming and coming and coming. Oh my goodness. Actually, like, wow. Alright, so here is everything. I got like a whole bunch of like spoons and spatulas and then just like other things like a gumbo spoon, like what? And then I got like a strainer. I think it's like a meat smasher. The things for your spoons. These I think are like little oven mitts, which I don't have any. It came with like a potato peeler, a cheese grater. I think this is like a wine opener. And then like an ice cream scoop, a can opener, a whisk, some scissors, a pizza cutter. You guys know I love my pizzas, so I'm very excited to use this. It also came with measuring cups as far as like cups go, and then teaspoons and tablespoons, which again is what I needed. It also came with a cutting board, which I do have some cutting boards, but like this one is just so cute. Like look how tiny it is. So it'll just add to my little cutting board collection. And then this is actually like a cake smoother. I don't make cakes, but my sister likes to bake, so I'll probably give that to her. But yeah, this is pretty much everything. There's like so much stuff. Another potato peeler. So it's just like, you know, a pie thing. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is amazing. All right, so this is where I decided to put everything. I put all of what I could fit in here. I know it's not very organized, but it just has pretty much all the little things in here. And I have the measuring cups up in the front with the little spoon holder thing, and then my little mitts. And then all of the spatulas and spoons I put into my little mason jar. And I just kind of stuck it down here because I was going to put it in my cabinet, but it didn't fit. So I just have it all right here, which I kind of like that better. So right now, that is where all of it is. Now I have the huge boxes that I have to go put away, you know. This is the fun part of moving out. So crazy how everything is just coming together. It's absolutely insane. Like, what? Like, check this out. Like, my chair, I love the way that it looks. So I am so very happy. And again, I just have y'all kind of balancing. It works. It works. All right, I was taking just a little break and my dustpan finally came in. The amount of times that I have swept my apartment and I do not have a dustpan, so I had to go and borrow my family's. It's crazy. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love sweeping, and I've said before that it's very therapeutic. Oh, it's so cute. I honestly thought that it was gonna be bigger, but like, look how cute that is. I got the email saying that, oh, your delivery has arrived, and I went and looked outside and I could not find it. So then I went back on the delivery site and it said that they put it in the mailbox, and I was like, how in the world did they fit this in the mailbox? Because I was thinking that it was a huge dustpan, like the one that my family and them have. And no, it's just a little tiny one, but look, it's perfect. Oh, it's so cute. This is amazing. Just today I'm having so many packages come in. Ah! So I forgot to mention that today is July 15th. It was been a little while since I did a little bit with my like moving vlogs and stuff, but anyways, we're jumping back on them as just, you know, packages come in, and as I'm doing more stuff, you know, I'm almost done. Y'all, I'm so close. We are so close to like being completely moved in here. There's a few other things that I do want to buy, and whenever I get those, of course, I'm gonna show you guys, and then I will do a full apartment tour where it's like completely furnished and all that. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that y'all are enjoying this little moving series. I know I definitely am. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can join our little YouTube community, and leave a comment down below on, you know, anything. I am more than happy to talk with you guys. So thank y'all so much for watching. As always, I really hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye guys.